What's good, everybody? How's it going? So as usual, we're back doing the regular things that we like to do in life, which is pretty much just going to be trading. Okay, I mean, what else is there left to at this point? What do we want to take? If we go to the 15-minute time frame, we want to ask ourselves, is it more likely that we're going to go for that high or for that low? In this case, if we're going to go into the 4-hour time frame, we can see that this is a no-way candle, so there is, a good amount of chance that we are actually going to fall in lower. But I need to check this. Wait, quickly, like the daily time frame. I mean, the daily also has pretty much a no-way candle. No, I do believe that we're going to be trading higher. I don't really see the point. It is going to be also a little bit of a subjective one, but I do believe that the move is higher. Let me look at this from this perspective. 5 minutes. Sometimes it just takes a couple of tries in that sense. So we have relative equal lows in here. Those need to be taken out. Not really a big fan of those. Relative equal lows need to be taken out. Only from that point on, I could be taken along. But, also looking at it from this perspective, there's a good chance that we're actually going to be trading a lower first before we're going to do that, into this no-way candle. 1 minute time frame. How far away is that actually? It's hard. Today is hard, man. Today is not as easy. I'm not going to lie to you. Have we something above? To be honest, the move is lower. We have all of this liquidity that needs to be taken out. People believe that there's going to be trendline liquidity, but it's really not. This is all just going to be taken out. Okay, from this point on, the bias is pretty simple. At the beginning, I was like, nah, we need to trade higher. Based off the daily, but I mean the 4 hour is really telling the truth here, especially because we're starting to consolidate. I don't expect higher prices from here, so I am going to be looking out for something lower, but for that I would like to see movement higher first, potentially trade into this entire FEG, and then from this point on I could be taking the sell-off into the no-way candle in here. Now we have pretty much done a lot of different gains so far on in futures as a whole, man. It's been crazy. Last trading session was also a fire. You can check it out if you want to. So this is going to be no-way candle, okay? We're going to put it like this. This is going to be our TP, our target for the day in that sense. So yeah, what I just like to see is retracement back into this FEG. And then from here on, I'm going to be taking the sell-off. This could be even from this order block. Let's just see, man. Premium to discount is quite far away. Wouldn't really want to bet on that at least. And if we're going to trade into the no-way candle first, then from there on, probably there's not going to be a trade. But since you're seeing this, then yeah, probably there is going to be a trade. Because I am not really a big fan of uploading when there's no trade. You guys seem to not really like that. I don't have a problem with that, but when people don't watch that and they're not interested, then what's the point of that, okay? I mean, I'm doing this for you to learn, but if you're not willing to learn based off that, then that's also fine by me. Okay, so we'll just be sticking around on the 1 minute time frame. I mean, there's definitely a bunch of imbalances. Look at it this way. You have this one, we've traded into it. This is an BPR, and then we have another one. So basically triple BPR. So I do believe that we could be trading higher, even precisely bounce off from it. This could be like valid. Let me take a screenshot for the group. Dang it, man, we're just keeping on trading. Okay, we've traded lower, we've taken it out. Unfortunate, man. We are just keeping on tanking. Anyways, I don't really think that there's going to be a trade today. I don't really see the move, so yeah, let's just see either later or tomorrow. Okay, we be still rolling basically. Could be interested, to be honest, in trading this a little bit higher. Because right now it looks like to many of you, okay, that's just a retracement higher, and now we are just going to drop lower. But I do believe that we have to trade at the minimum to this entire FEG. So this could be like a small scalp that I'm willing to take. But we're going to get in with a market order. Let's just do 5 contracts. This has also not been taken out. Let's check the 5 minute. 5 minute has traded into a previous FEG. Yeah, we could be seeing the sell-off from here. I'm not going to be participating, man. I am not going to do this. Okay, there's also an FEG in here. I'm looking out for that right now. Let's get in with 7 contracts. Okay, let's put it like this. This should honestly not retrace back into our entry if we are really willing to trade higher. Okay, there we go. Let's enter. It's not going to be the final stop loss. I mean, the logic is pretty simple. We have an FEG in here that is combined with a BPR. We've traded into it. There's liquidity higher. There's FEG that we still want to trade into. It's an easy trade, guys. Okay, we're trading Iron Man. I've just done a real, I mean, at this point the stop loss is obviously a break even. You know, don't think that I'm just going to let this run like this and willing to basically get this back into an entry. No, man. Those times are already over, man. Okay, we're making high highs. We're breaking through all of that. From this point on, yeah, we need to be closing very soon, okay? Or else we're going to get in trouble. I'm gonna wait this candle out a little bit longer and let's just see where it goes. Because if it shows willingness, then I'm willing to hold. But if it shows, you know, okay, I'm bearish right now, then I'm just going to close. So let's see. We could potentially trade all the way until that one. And I think this is also going to be my final target. Okay, there we go. Easy fucking trade, man. Easy. This was literally 5 minutes, man. Fuck me, dude. Ah, man. It's just unbelievably easy. Okay, from this point on, I mean, the sessions at this point get quicker and quicker. Let's journal our entire stuff. Let's go to the trade library. Add trade. Okay. We're going to be taking a fancy screenshot of all of that. This was pretty fire. There we go. Put it in here. Just like that. Then we're going to be copying the entry. And to be honest, like, I just keep on questioning myself, like, where all of these people basically have this from. That, yeah, futures is hard and all of that. No, it's not hard. We were extra sharp. This was a, this was like not the best setup. This was like B. Okay. No rules whatsoever. This was a TP. We have taken a long. Okay, there we go, man. Journal the trade. There we go. And as you can see, our trade library has been filled up once again. Okay, guys, this is pretty much it. Like, I don't know if you guys like more of these longer videos or if you like more of these shorter videos, but it was just a very quick one. Okay, this was a couple of minutes. I've seen the rejection off of this entire BPR and then, yeah, all the way on to the upside. That's how easy it really is. See you guys next one.